The Australian Government and Regional Arts WA present Black Robin, touring Christmas and Cocos Keeling Islands in June. Experience the raw beauty and cultural richness of the Chatham Islands, New Zealand, with this diverse, multi-talented three-piece band led by AJ Ataira. Enjoy storytelling music with real soul and honesty at its heart. Visit regionalartswa.org.au to find out more.